really to maintain the lifestyle that I was able to provide for the kids prior to the divorce. I'm no longer able to provide. I mean, they don't have the same lifestyle with me that we've always had, and it just gets hard sometimes. Like, I can't afford that anymore.
Do you agree to pay guideline child support based on your current income to Ms. Willis?
No, because
Why not? So the final decree of divorce signed on January 6, 2021.
Yeah, the court takes just notice of that final decree of divorce, again, signed January 6, 2021.
Right. Ms. Willis, does that final decree of divorce order Mr. Mulligan to pay you any child support?
No.
Okay. Does it order Mr. Mulligan to do something else in lieu of paying child support?
Yes, to pay $600 of daycare and school supplies.
Okay. Since the signing of that divorce decree, has Mulligan done that?
He has done that, yes. There was a year that they were not in daycare because I was staying at home. So at that time, no, but while they have been in daycare and at the start of school, he has paid that.
Where were the children currently insured?
Through Dad, through Justin.
If Mr. Mulligan is still paying the daycare as per the divorce decree, why do you now want him paid to court?
Really to maintain the lifestyle that I was able to provide for the kids prior to the divorce. I'm no longer able to provide. I mean, they don't have the same lifestyle with me that we've always had, and it just gets hard sometimes.
Can you give an example of that?
I mean, doing extra things, or even, doing any extra things, like going to a local farm here where you can pick strawberries and such. Like, I can't afford that anymore. So, I mean, I'm just unable to provide those type of things for them. So, I mean, they're not going to have the memories with me doing those type of things.
We begin with an emotional appeal from Ms. Willis, a mother feeling the financial and emotional strain after divorce. She explains that despite her ex-husband meeting his obligations, daycare fees and school supplies, she's struggling to maintain the lifestyle their children once knew. Her reasoning isn't rooted in neglect but nostalgia, wanting her kids to experience the same comfort and small joys as before. Yet, the court's lens is fixed on law, not sentiment. The judge listens closely, but the key question begins to form. Is a desire to maintain past lifestyle enough to justify modifying child support?
Does Mr. Mulligan provide any other support for the children at daycare costs and school supplies?
Yes, he does.
What does he provide?
He has paid for Jace's sports, and I mean, school clothes, school shoes, Halloween costumes. I mean, that type of thing, yeah.
Past a witness, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Mulligan, do you have any direct relevant questions of Ms. Willis?
no.
Okay. Go ahead and call your next witness, Ms. Laskowski.
Okay. The state calls Mr. Mulligan. Mr. Mulligan, are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much do you earn?
Roughly, without overtime, like $2,300 every 2 weeks.
Okay. Are you paid hourly?
Yes, ma'am.
How much are you paid per hour?
37.
Okay. How many hours a week do you work?
I work shift work, so every 2 weeks it's 84 hours.
Okay. You ever work any overtime?
Yes, I do work overtime occasionally.
About how many hours of overtime do you work per month?
I'd say maybe 30.
As proceedings continue, the focus shifts to Mr. Mulligan, calm and straightforward. He outlines his finances, $2,300 every 2 weeks. $37 per hour, steady employment with 11 years tenure. He carries the cost of insurance, daycare contributions, sports, and medical needs. His tone is matter-of-fact, not defensive. He's meeting every term of the divorce decree and more, from Halloween costumes to doctor visits. Here, the underlying tension surfaces. This isn't about neglecting duty, but redefining fairness when both parents share time equally and contribute differently.
40 hours?
Is that your only source of income?
Yes, ma'am.
Does your employer offer health and dental insurance for you to put the children on?
Yes, they're on it.
How much does that cost you per pay period?
I think it's like 160. Well, I think it's like 160 a month.
Does your employer offer dental insurance to put the children on?
Yes.
Okay. How much does that cost you per pay period?
I'm not sure. That was both of them together. I'm sorry. I misunderstood you. That amount I told you.
Okay. Do you have any other children under the age of 18 besides Jason Kylie?
Yes, I have 2 of them.
Okay. Do they live in the house or in your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you pay for Jason Kylie's daycare every month?
I don't pay the full amount because before it was both of them going in there, I pay 2/3, which is $400 a month.
Why has it decreased?
Because it's only Kylie that's in there. When we first got divorced, it was
Okay.
$900 a month, so I was paying $600 a month. So now it's $600 a month, so I pay $400.
Is that because Jace is in school now?
Yes.
Do you provide any other support for the children on a monthly basis?
Well, I mean, everything she just listed, and then I do all the fundraisers. I do the school pictures.
Now the courtroom energy subtly shifts. The state questions Mr. Mulligan's custody time, revealing a near 50-50 split, 14 days each month with the father. This detail reshapes the context entirely. Shared custody changes the foundation for child support modification. When both parents are hands-on, financial calculations become less about one-sided support and more about balance. Mr. Mulligan's consistent involvement and additional spending strengthen his position. The legal standard here, material and substantial change in circumstances, begins to loom large. Without clear evidence of that change, the petition may not hold weight.
I do all the Halloween stuff. I do the sports. I do the dentist appointments, doctor's appointments. I pay for all that. And I give her money at Christmas time so she can get the presents she wants for them.
You have a ballpark figure on about how much you spend for the children every month?
No, I mean, I have no idea. I'd have to sit there and I'd have to look at my bank statements. But I mean, $300 maybe, I don't know, 200, 300.
Do you agree to pay guideline child support based on your current income to Ms. Willis?
No, because
Why not?
I also have them half the time. I have them half the month. So it's exactly 50-50. And I do all the extra.
When you say you could have the children 50-50, how many nights out of the week are they at your place?
They're out of the whole month, 14 days out of the month.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
Ms. Willis, do you have any direct relevant questions of this witness?
No.
Okay. Do you work, Ms. Willis?
Yes, I do.
Okay, where do you work?
I work at a pediatric office as a nurse.
As a nurse, how much do you earn there?
I make $23.94 an hour.
How many hours a week do you work?
40.
Okay. Is it accurate? I mean, does Mr. Mulligan have the children 14 days out of the month?
Yes, he gets them on his days off.
Okay. How old is the youngest?
3.
And Mr. Mulligan, I mean, is it kind of like your position that you're just opposed to modifying it at all? Or just not to the guideline support amount, or?
Ms. Willis takes the stand again, acknowledging her ex-husband's reliability. Her own income as a pediatric nurse earning $23.94 an hour mirrors the financial parity that the judge notes. Both parents are employed, both active. What's missing is a significant difference in circumstance, the legal pivot for modification. The judge's questions grow more direct. Has anything truly changed since the divorce? The answers, though heartfelt, suggest stability rather than disruption. Emotionally, the case tugs at empathy. Legally, it remains static.